To ensure emergency departments are able to treat patients at all times, hospitals receive reimbursement from Medicare for ED clinician downtime. This is especially important for critical access hospitals whose patient flow is harder to predict. In 2017, Carthage Area Hospital deployed the VersaBadge Automated Time Study Solution to improve reporting of Part A standby time in the emergency department. In less than a year, VersaBadge increased the hospital's reimbursement by nearly $150,000.
Carthage is a rural community located in upstate New York. We're right at the entrance to the Adirondack Parkway. The hospital is very much founded by the community who recognize the need to have access to high-quality health care locally.
The ability to provide medical care for those folks is really a great responsibility, and it's a great pleasure because you can impact patients' lives so significantly.
Carthage is now expanding the VersaBadge RTLS infrastructure to facilitate a robust set of use cases, from asset tracking and elopement monitoring to patient concierge services and staff duress alerting.
Critical access hospitals in general are always under constant pressure from a regulatory standpoint to do more with less, and innovation has had to become a way of life for us. I think in finding a partner like VersaBadge that's just an incredible synergy that's yielding very exciting results for us.
So we were introduced to VersaBadge at the NRHA conference in Kansas City. The thing that was most appealing is the fact that it was a conversation. We were actually able to work together in collaboration to come up with a product that fits our needs here at Carthage Area Hospital.
VersaBadge is a Bluetooth, low-energy RTLS product suite that combines accurate location data with robust analytics, reporting, and proximity-based messaging. VersaBadge was developed alongside leading hospital innovators to help them improve operational efficiency, reimbursement and compliance, as well as the safety of patients and staff.
In the emergency department, there's opportunity for reimbursement for the standby time for the physician. If we are unable to calculate, collect that data, understand what that time is, we really can't receive that reimbursement. VersaBadge allows us an innocuous, easy method by which we can keep that data and be compliant.
The VersaBadge product allows us to focus on providing patient care and not have to divert limited human resources to track the time, allowing the clinical staff to focus on their clinical job, because that is what keeps quality scores high. So far to date, we've seen just under $150,000 annual increase in our reimbursement related to the time studies we've been able to do in the emergency room.
We wouldn't have seen that without the use of the VersaBadge system. $150,000, it means an extra 2 people working, a nurse, and additional personnel being able to help take care of our patients.
One of the most important things you have to have is a very good audit trail so that you can capture everything that you're entitled to, and that's where we've seen a tremendous improvement with VersaBadge, is just in the increased accuracy and accountability of the information.
Initially, we started with the time tracking module for some of our emergency room providers. Since then, we're actually expanding that to tracking inventory, such as high volume items like IV pumps, heart monitors, and utilizing the system in our assisted living facility to actually help us track residents and ensure their safety.
We're always evaluating vendors based on affordability, easy to use from a patient safety standpoint, that it's safe for our patients. VersaBadge has been very easy, very simple to use, and really very limited involvement from any of our IT staff.
Our experience working with VersaBadge has been outstanding. What we found is we presented VersaBadge with a set of problems, and we actually found a partner that wanted to work in collaboration with us to solve those problems. One of the unanticipated benefits that we have seen from VersaBadge really has to do with the way we were able to approach our affiliation with a larger facility as well as some of our peer facilities. Having solutions such as VersaBadge in place has allowed us to become very much a leader in that conversation. We're bringing ideas to them, which really changes the dynamic of that relationship.
VersaBadge has been one of those solutions for us to achieve financial stability and to continue to grow as a facility, which allows us to continue to be successful.
I think everybody needs to take a very strong look at what VersaBadge has to offer. Our experience has been that this is a very unique partnership that I've not often received. A lot of folks want to come in here and sell you what they have. Not a lot of companies want to hear what your needs are and find ways to work with you to meet those needs. And that, I think, is the VersaBadge difference.
Visit VersaBadge.com to learn more or email us at info@versabadge.com.